if you have to follow someone like Atem, you want to summarize what they've said, it looks very difficult, isn't it? Because almost what he has said are all good from the beginning up to the end. I think learning from him had been a great opportunity. And he has put things into proper perspectives, whether in the past or in the present or going into the future. He had actually said, where were we in the past? Where are we now? And where are we going to be in the future? And the status of things now, how do we calibrate or recalibrate it so that then it fits into that notion of national integration. Ustaz started by saying that his academic is too huge. He is not very sure whether he's able to transform that academic status into real action. But of course, that is a teacher. It is from his word that he will learn that he had actually transformed his academic understanding into his practical action, and we've just seen. He said, you must know your history. At the very beginning, you must know your history. And he said, we are all part of our past, we are all part of our present, and we are all part of our future.